Here we go. Hey guys, I'm out here with Doug Alt from Abby Road Chimney Sweep. Have heard all kinds of wonderful things about him. I've had clients recommend him time after time. Just finished talking to two guys that recommended them and wanted to come out and see him and let him talk to us a little bit about his business. So tell us about your business, Doug.
Well, we've been in business since 1978. My wife and I run it. We have a crew of about 8 or 9, depending on the time of year, and a couple of vans on the road. We clean and inspect fireplace chimneys. We are certified with the Chimney Safety Institute of America. We also do anything having to do with fireplaces and chimneys, rebuilding them, relining them, when we put a camera up a chimney to inspect them, see if there's any cracks or gaps, and repair them.
That's great, man. I've gotten an education in our talk here as he's showing me around his place. I've learned all sorts of stuff already that I didn't know. And one of the things, tell me, we got a little fall air coming on today for the first time in forever. What's a tip?
Good.
Yeah, what's a tip people need to know this time of year? What do they need to have done to the chimney to get going? Because I know they want to burn some firewood soon.
Yes, call us for a chimney cleaning and inspection, and before you light that fire, and then you'll have hopefully a safe fireplace chimney to use.
Well, tell me, what is, you want to get it inspected. What are you looking for when you come out to inspect a chimney, and what's the danger? Obviously, fire is the danger, but how does that happen?
Yeah. Well, the chimney consists of a fireplace firebox, a damper which you open and shut to let smoke out, and you shut it when you're not using it to keep cold air from coming into the house. And then above that you have a smoke chamber area built like a pyramid. We check that for cracks and gaps, and then you have your chimney flue. It goes all the way to the top, and the chimney flue we check for that, for any cracks or gaps in that. Then on top you have the chimney crown and the cap, and then of course the brick or the wood, whatever surrounds the chimney. And so we're looking at all of that, as well as the floor of the firebox, and checking that for safety. And what happens when you burn wood or coal or any solid fuel, you have smoke going up a chimney. And smoke is unburned hydrocarbons, it's unburned fuel that goes up in the chimney, and it can stick on the walls of the chimney. And that is like coal dust up in your chimney, and that's what can catch fire and cause a chimney fire. So the whole reason for getting that chimney cleaned out is for safety and getting that soot cleaned out of the chimney.
That's great. I never realized that the smoke, that the difference in air temperature, the cold as the smoke is coming up causes some condensation. Is that right?
Right.
That then causes it to stick to it?
Yeah. And so sometimes when we reline a chimney, we put a stainless steel liner. I have some back here that down the chimney, and then we pour a Thermix mixture around there, and it makes for a much more insulated chimney that does not have as much creosote buildup in it.
That's awesome. Well, guys, if you have any chimney questions, any chimney issues, call Abby Road Chimney Sweep. It's an education. Everybody should find out more about their chimney so that they're safe this fall. Thanks a lot.
Sure.
Man, that was beautiful.